Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see one of the few hidden hacks of MS Word. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And this video is sponsored by T-Vibe, Where the Trend. I'll be providing the link in the description. You can go check out their amazing collection. And now, let's get into the video. Let's say that you have a list of full names, something like this. So you want to separate it basing on the first name and the last name. This could be easy when you basically have a little list, but when you have a large list of names, you can do that easily by this simple trick. You firstly need to select the entire full name text. Go to the insert and click on the table. Here you need to choose convert text to table, and you need to enter your columns to be 2, and you need to change this autofit behavior to autofit to contents, and separate text at other. You here in the other you need to choose a space, just enter a space and then click on OK. And now you can see that this is divided. So now if you want to get only the first name, you can just copy this entire thing, control C, paste the text, keep text only, or you can use control shift V to paste only text. And similarly with this, you can copy this, and now after this you can just, or below this you can click on control plus shift plus V. So in this way you can easily get first names and last names separated, and here we are just using the separator to be a space. If you have any other separator like a hyphen or a comma or a semicolon, you can use it in different purposes. And this is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.